We'll demonstrate how to earn paid to complete easy micro freelance tasks in this video. This is the easiest method of earning money online if you're seeking for one. You can finish jobs and get paid between $20 and $50. Your phone and an internet connection are all you require. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever we upload new content online, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Go to this website right here, jobs.oneforma.com. This platform is actually called OneFormer. As you can see, work wherever you want, whenever you want. You will discover on this website over 200 markets that will provide both full-time and freelance service opportunities. You can search for the kind of position you want or the job you want right here. Over here is where you can choose the categories you want. Scroll down, here we have recent jobs. We have data collection, we have BI engineer, we have audio collection, we have data scientist. If we click on show more jobs right here, more jobs are going to load up. As you can see, we have BI analyst developer, we have testing, Nemo, we have QA engineer. We have Sonar Cube Engineer. You can still click on Show More Jobs to keep loading more jobs. If we go down, right here, how it works. The first step, sign up. Once you sign up and receive your own OneForma account, you will be given access to all the freelancer work. Step 2, search for freelancer jobs. Here you can search for the project that fits or suits you, look at project descriptions and types, rates, requirements, and apply for the job. The final step, be part of us. Here you are given the opportunity to also become part of the global community of collaborators and partners. Scroll down again, right here, we have the job categories. We have 10 categories. All you need to do is check all the categories and see what they have to offer. The categories includes UHRS, translation, transcription, testing, we have internet judging, we have full-time, data collection, and lastly, we have careers. Scroll down to the bottom of this page right here, you can actually get the app both on the Apple Store and Google Store. It is very easy to get started with this platform. If we click right here, where it says, how it works, you will land on this page. Right here is the vision of the company. OneForma offer thousands of jobs every year to people just like you. As part of the Pactera Edge family, they partner up with some of the world's top companies to bring you job offers in up to 250 different languages, all around the world. Go down, right here are the simple steps you can take to get a job on this platform. Step 1. Browse jobs at OneForma. Use the OneForma platform to browse jobs. This company constantly updates its job listings. You can search for all available jobs from the home page, or filter them by entering your desired job type, language, and category. From there, you will be able to read a more detailed description of the job. Make sure, after you have signed up and activated your OneForma account, you are fully required to complete your user profile if you want to apply for any job from the user portal. Step 2. Apply for the job. When you finally find a job you want to apply for, use the apply button at the bottom of the job description. But again, take note, you will be required to complete your user profile, which is part of the job qualification process. To also confirm your native language, you are also invited to take a simple language verification test designed to verify native speakers. They will not ask you to provide any bank information until after you have been approved for a job. Move down. Step 3. Complete certifications. You will complete certifications in your OneForma in order to get matched to projects and set yourself up for success. With certifications, you can prove and document your proficiency in a wide range of areas, including language proficiency, market knowledge, transcribing abilities, computer savvy, and much more. Project-specific certificates will introduce you to the skill sets and information you need to apply for one of our many job openings. Step 4. Get paid for your work. As a result, after receiving job approval, you will be directed to the production system. Depending on the project, this could be done online or offline. More details on this can be found in your message center. Your work in the platforms may be measured in working hours or in completed tasks. The production team will communicate all the details to you via an email. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. If we click on About Us, you will arrive on this page. OneForma is actually a component of Pactera Edge, a global multinational provider of digital and technology services with its headquarters in Redmond, Washington, in the USA. Their primary competencies are in the areas of data, intelligence, experience, and globalization, and they offer creative solutions in the areas of AI and digital transformation. Pactera Edge provides human-centric solutions to challenging business problems. They have a sizable network of collaborators in more than 200 nations and clients all over the world. OneForma is your market, where you can select the jobs that best suit your interests, skill set, and timetable. Whether you want to work on a project to submit a few images or give translations over a longer period of time. They have job openings in 250 different languages. Everybody can always find work. Let's now review the testimonials from the community by clicking right up here. You will land here. Many testimonies from users who have used this platform are available on this page. As you can see, this platform is a fantastic way to begin earning money online. Now, to sign up and get started, click right up here, where it says, Sign Up. You will land on this page. All you need to do is, put in your first name, your last name, your username, this going to be your public name. Put in your email address, your password, confirm your password. Select your country of residence, your city of residence. Choose your native language. Here you can actually choose up to 3 languages. Here, you can then choose how did you hear about us? Once you are done putting in all the information, scroll down and accept all the terms and conditions and policies. Then click on I am human. Now you will be able to get into the system and start making money with all the jobs they have to offer on this platform. And that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you in the next video.